Hello, welcome to Courses.org, your all-in-one scheduler and university tool. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate multiple schedules in order to find your perfect schedule. Start by selecting Create and then Generate Multiple. After that, choose your university and term. Now, search for the courses you want. If your university allows it, you can also search by elective as well. If you want to add your own custom event, you can easily do so by selecting Custom Course. If you want to remove the course, you can do so by hovering and clicking the trash icon. Hovering also allows users to edit the search by either selecting specific CRNs that might be restricted to your major or by also selecting specific elective courses. When you are done searching, move onto the filter menu where you can choose what time you want to start and finish your classes. Users are not allowed to generate more than 10,000 schedules, so make sure to play around with the sliders until you get your preferred timings. You can also see which professors have available seats in their classes and which don't. Notice how the number of schedules go down as you add more specific filters. After you added your preferences, click on Generate Schedules to generate every possible schedule that fits your needs. On the Schedules page, easily navigate through the schedules using the arrow buttons. You can also sort by least time difference, which tries to minimize how long you spend in uni, least days, which tries to minimize the days spent in uni, and even least distance walked. Clicking on a section will reveal more details through the info card on the left. Here you can see all general details, including a university link to the section and the building's location on Google Maps. You can also double-click and right-click to lock and remove the section respectively, making all schedules or no schedules have this specific section. On the right, you will see the Settings panel. Here you can do many things, like change the color of each section to your color of choice, or download the schedule as an image, a PDF, or even a shareable link. And also, if you are signed in, you can give the schedule a name and save it to your profile. Finally, if you want to edit a specific schedule directly, simply click on the Edit button and you will be redirected to a singular schedule page where you can search for any section and add it to your schedule directly. If you want to start from scratch, you can also edit a blank schedule by going to the Create page and clicking on Design Your Own. Just select your university and semester and presto! Just like that, you have an empty slate to start from. And that's how you can create your perfect schedule using Courses.org. Be sure to check out the other features like Compare Schedules, which allows multiple users to combine their different schedules and see when they all free up, or even Class Schedules, which allows the user to choose any classroom on campus and see what courses are given in that very room. Keep in mind that the website is still a work in progress and is continuously adding new features and fixes. If you spot any bugs or have a feature in mind, don't hesitate to message me via email or Instagram. My contact information will be listed in the description below. Finally, I hope you found this short tutorial helpful, and I especially wish that Courses.org facilitates your course scheduling process. Until next time, bye-bye.